Hi! In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to open Gallery app. Now select Folders at the bottom right corner. Select one of them and hold the photo that you wish to get rid of. Now to select all of them at once, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on Select All. As you can see, all of my photos were successfully selected. If you want to delete them, select this bin next to three dots. And now they are gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!